Hello, my name is Dani Valencia. I am 28 years old. I live in Palmira. I am studying 9th semester of agronomy. In the photogram, I am in the city of Palmira. I am workshop on metalworking. I am welding a metal structure. This structure is for the corregimiento of Rosso, for a warehouse of agriculture machinery. The structure I must weld to ensure that it will not be disarmed. During the welding work, I must use the protection elements to avoid injuries or accidents. These elements are long rods, mats, gas feeder, little apron, and safing boots. I have to use all this to take care of my hand upward. Thank you. Bye.